Hi, the little video that I've got for you today is just one showing you the embossing folders and how to use it if you haven't got a big shot or a Cuttlebug or any other die cutting machine. These are the embossing folders that I'm going to show you today. These are the Paper Mania ones. It's just the first one that I've got out of my studio. Okay, so you can see there the pattern that's on this one here. Okay, so it's a nice little swirl. Okay, these ones usually retail, I think, about $2.99. You can see there mine's a little bit grubby from one of the techniques that I want to show you. The first thing I want to show you is embossing with it. Now, this is what I do with my demonstration when people say, I haven't got a die cutting machine, I can't buy one of those. And I just say, you don't actually need a die cutting machine. All you need is just a bit of card, and you can see there it's got no texture on there whatsoever. That's just a bit of card that I've just cut, just to show you the technique very quickly. Just lay it down onto your table. And just take, again, I'm just using a shaving brush. You could use a wooden back stamp. You could use your pot even if you wanted to with your bonding powders. An acrylic block. You could use a rolling pin. You could use anything that you wanted to. And all I'm going to do is just press quite hard onto there. Excuse my table from wobbling. And I'm going to go in both directions. There we go. And just give that a really firm press down onto that piece of card. Okay, and hopefully, it usually does. What we've got is take that piece of card out, and you can see how beautifully that is actually embossed. Okay, so you've got this raised section on this side, so it's got a little bit of relief on there. And then you've got this debossed section on this section here. I hope that helps. You can actually use that with a full C6 size of card. If you want to do it with a bigger card, what I usually do is pop it on, move it across, pop it on and move it across, and I just repeat that process all the way across until I've got a full sheet of my pattern. The other thing that I want to show you as well, if you haven't got obviously enough strength in your hand to use a brush or something to press it with, is to actually use this folder as a stamp. Now what I tend to do is just use an ink, so I'm just using the ancient page there. I'm going to just stamp up the little bit what's raised, just so I can get this little line out there. Okay, so you can see there, I've just applied some ink onto there. You can see how solid those lines are. But when you use it as a stamp, it comes out completely differently. So again, just pop a little bit of card on. Press with your hands. Or you could just take your shaving brush and give it a little bit of a firm press. Anything else that you've got, run a rolling pin over it or something. You don't need too much pressure. And then I'm going to take that piece off of there. And this is the image that you're left with. You can see all these little swirls here. We've got like a little double line that you can actually use to colour in. Absolutely beautiful as a stamp. But I hope that's inspired you. I'll speak to you again soon then. Bye.